Good morning. This is Terry McGeary out and about, this time in the Southern Uplands, down near a place called Moffat in Scotland. And I've been looking at the Grey Mare's Tail, which is, apart from an outstanding waterfall, it's a nature reserve belonging to the National Trust for Scotland. So throughout the day I'll let you see little bits of the nature reserve. I may not comment much on it, but we'll have a look out for wildlife of different kinds. There's supposed to be mountain hares, peregrine falcons and some feral wild goats around, so fingers crossed we might see some.
I'm your leader today, Carl McKennan's the deputy leader.
People in the distance before they leave us behind. Loch-skeen. That's loch-skeen. That's a pretty wee loch, isn't it? Aye. Well, it's time for a sandwich, a little break, and you couldn't find anywhere better than the view we're looking at here, which is loch-skeen, just behind me. This was our tea stop, loch-skeen.
Hi-ho, if after work we go, we work all day and get no pay. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
This is Grumpy.
Hi-ho.
That's Snow White. Here's another 3 Snow Whites in a row.
Leave your number, we'll let you know.
Call me the ugly sister.
No, I didn't. You're all Snow White.
Now I know why I put my gaiters on.
Yeah. Love it, and it's a nice shot.
It's a date from the Dates family.
It's a date? I think it was a Vanadace, I think they called it. A Vanadace, I think was the name. It's a lovely bit right enough to stun. Aye. Even the loch's all blue and everything.
I know.
Very nice.
Violin.
Well, I was hoping this is the highest we were going to go to, but I think there's maybe another little climb to take us a few 100 metres up, and then we'll be at 795 metres.
I've got it marked at the side, see there? 1-6.
Aye, I've got a mark here on the line. 161.
A nice wee sheltered spot for lunch. I better catch it with the sun out before it goes away again. One half a dozen of the other, really. Give it a try. Those are the kind of views that we came for, and eventually